In this video, I am going to explain about algebraic method of solving a pair of linear equations. There are three methods by which you can solve a pair of linear equations by algebraic method. They are substitution method, elimination method and cross multiplication method. We will see substitution method in this video. Substitution method means substitute the value of one variable by expressing it in terms of the other variable to solve the pair of linear equations. That means, suppose if you have two equations with the two variables x and y, you have to denote one equation either in terms of x or y. Substitute the value of that in equation number 2 and find the other value. You can see this by means of some examples. First question, solve the pair of linear equations by substitution method. X plus y equal to 14 and x minus y equal to 4. Here either you have to take this one or you have to take this one. Then you have to express it in terms of x. So first I am naming this as x plus y equal to 14 as my first equation and x minus y equal to 4 as my second equation. Then I am substituting y from first equation. Y equal to 14 minus x. I am taking y from first equation. So, my value of y becomes this 14 minus x. Then I am going to substitute this equation in equation number 2. So, x minus y equal to 4. Here instead of y I am substituting x minus 14 minus x equal to 4. That is x minus 14 plus x equal to 4. That is x plus x is equal to 2x minus 14 equal to 4. 2x is equal to 18. So, my value of x is equal to 18 by 2 which is equal to 9. So, you got the value of x. Now, you can substitute the value of x in your y. That is 14 minus 9. So, you got the value of y as 5. So, x is equal to 9 and y is equal to 5. So, either you can take x or y from equations and you have to substitute that value in another equation and find the value of x and y. This method is known as substitution method. Solve the pair of linear equation by substitution method. Your second question is a fraction. 3x by 2 minus 5y by 3 is equal to minus 2 and x by 3 plus y by 2 is equal to 13 by 6. You can name it as equation number 1 and 2. This is your equation number 1 and this is your equation number 2. So, finding LCM, here LCM is 6. So, you will be getting 2 into 3 is equal to 6. So, 3 into 3, 9x minus 5y into 2 is equal, 3 into 2 is equal to 6. So, 5y into 2 that is 10y divided by 6 equal to minus 2. So, I am taking this 6 to here. So, 9x minus 10y equal to minus 12 from 1. So, I will be getting x value as minus 12 plus 10y divided by 9. Name it as equation number 3. Substitute this 3 in equation number 2. Before that, you have to make this equation number 2 in a proper format. Here 3, 2 and 6, your LCM is 3, 2, 2. LCM is 6. So, first you have to make it as a from standard form. So, 3 into 2 which is equal to 6. So, 2x plus 2 into 3 6. So, 3y equal to 30. So, 2x plus 3y is equal to 30. So, substitute the value of x here. So, 2 into minus 12 plus 10y divided by 9 plus 3y equal to 13. So, multiplying 2 inside, minus 24 plus 20y plus 3y here divided by 9 equal to 13. So, taking LCM as 9, so you will be getting minus 24 plus 20y plus 3 into 9 which is equal to 27y is equal to 13 into 9, 117. So, 20y plus 27y, that is equal to 47y equal to 117 plus 24, 141. So, you will be getting y as 141 divided by 47 which is equal to 3. So, you got the y value as 3. Substitute this value of y in equation number, this one 4, and get the value of x. So, 2x plus 3 into y is equal to 3 equal to 13. So, 2x plus 9 equal to 13. 2x is equal to 13 minus 9, that is equal to 4. So, x value is equal to 4 by 2 which is equal to 2. So, you got x value as 2 and y value as 3. Here, from this first equation, I have taken LCM and make it as a standard equation. Then, I have taken x from this equation and substitute this x in equation number 2. Before that, I have also made this equation in a standard form, and substituting the value of x here, I got the value of y. Then substitute that y value in this equation and got the value of x. So, I got x as 2 and y as 3. Solve 2x plus 3y equal to 11 and 2x minus 4y equal to minus 24, and hence find the value of m for which y is equal to mx plus 3. So, first you have to solve these two equations, that is 2x plus 3y equal to 11, name it as equation number 1, and 2x minus 4y equal to minus 24, name it as equation number 2. First, you have to solve these two equations and find the value of x and y and substitute that x and y value in here, and you can find the value of m then. So, from first equation, from equation number 1, I am taking y is equal to 11 minus 2x divided by 3. So, substitute equation number 3 in 2. You will be getting 2x minus 4 into 11 minus 2x divided by 3 equal to minus 24. So, 2x minus 4 into 11, 44, 4 into 2x plus 8x divided by 3 equal to minus 24. So, 2x into 3, taking LCM, 6x minus 44 plus 8x is equal to 24 into 3 minus 72. So, from this I got 6 plus 8 which is equal to 14. 14x is equal to 72. Minus 72 plus 44. Minus 72. That is 72 minus 44, which is equal to minus 28. So, you will be getting 14x is equal to minus 28. X is equal to minus 2. That is 28 by 14, which is equal to minus 2. Substitute this x value either in equation number 1 or in equation number 2 and find the value of y. So, here I am substituting 2 into minus 2 plus 3y in equation number 1 equal to 11. That is minus 4 plus 3y equal to 11. So, 3y is equal to 15 and y is equal to 5. So, you got x and y value. Now, you have to find out the value of m. Y is equal to, you have given the equation y is equal to mx plus 3. You got y value as 5. So, 5 is equal to m into x value as minus 2. So, m into minus 2 plus 3. So, 5 is equal to minus 2m plus 3. That is 5 minus 3 is equal to minus 2m. 2 is equal to minus 2m and m is equal to 2 by 2, which is equal to minus 1. So, value of m is equal to minus 1. Next question. The difference between two numbers is 26 and one number is 3 times the other. Find them. So, I am taking two numbers in such a manner that x and y should be greater than x. So, the difference between two numbers, here y I have taken it as greater than x. So, difference between two numbers y minus x I can write it as 26. Then one number is 3 times the other. One number is y is equal to 3x. 3 times the other. Here I have got y is equal to 3x. Substitute this y in equation number 1 and find out the value of x first. So, 3x minus x is equal to 26. That is 2x is equal to 26. X is equal to 13. 26 by 2, 13. So, substitute this x value in equation number 1, that is y minus 13 is equal to 26. So, y will equal to 26 plus 13 equal to 39. So, you got x and y as 13 and 39. X is equal to 13 and y is equal to 39. Now, you can check with this equation number 2. Equation number 2, it is given as y is equal to 3x. So, here your y is equal to 39. You can check 3 into 13. 3 into 13 is also equal to 39. So, your two numbers are correct. Hope you have understood this video. Please subscribe my channel, like my video and share it with your friends. Thank you.